Us in League One, Brentford taking on Wolves. Free kick played off short, good save by Akemi. McDonald into the near post and flicked in. It looked like it was going wide, but it's dropped in at the back post. It's James Henry, and in first half stoppage time, Wolves take the lead. Saville coming forward, and was he tripped? Referee's allowed play to continue. This is Bakary Sakho. Lovely ball into the path of Jacobs. Great finish, and Wolves double their lead. Michael Jacobs, 4th goal in 4 games. Golborn chipped in for Sakho. Lovely back heel from Sakho back to Scott Golborn. It comes to Jacobs. Tremendous finish. And for the second week running, Michael Jacobs scores 2. And Wolves lead 3-0. And surely now have wrapped up the points as the Brentford fans start to drift away. 5 minutes to go. Clearance by Button, chance for a consolation, but a good save. Will Grigg denied. Trotter. Tidied up by Sam Ricketts. Jacobs plays the ball away as the full-time whistle goes. Brentford's 19-match unbeaten run is ended. It's Wolves that take all 3 points with a comfortable win. Brentford 0, Wolves 3 is the full-time score.